Yakapin ang mga naudlot na pangarap. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ng iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. John chapter 21, verses 15 to 19, and I read it for you. When they had finished breakfast, Jesus said to Simon Peter, "Simon, son of John, do you love me more than these?" He said to him, "Yes, Lord, you know that I love you." Jesus said to him, "Feed my lambs." A second time he said to him, "Simon, son of John, do you love me?" He said to him, "Yes, Lord, you know that I love you." Jesus said to him, "Tend my sheep." He said to him the third time, "Simon, son of John, do you love me?" Peter felt hurt because he said to him the third time, "Do you love me?" And he said to him, "Lord, you know everything, you know that I love you." Jesus said to him, "Feed my sheep. Very truly I tell you, when you were younger, you used to fasten your own belt and to go wherever you wish. But when you grow old, you will stretch out your hands and someone else will fasten a belt around you and take you where you do not wish to go." He said this to indicate the kind of death by which he would glorify God. After this, he said to him, "Follow me." Meron po ba kayong pangarap na hindi natupad? Pangarap na naudlot? Pangarap na hindi na naisakatuparan at naging totoo? Sa ating pong buhay, marami po tayong plano na hindi natutuloy. Maaring may iba't ibang rason kung bakit hindi natuloy ang iyong plano. O kaya naman dahil sa kahirapan at kakapusan sa buhay, kaya hindi natuloy ang ating pangarap, ang ating mga plano. Kung iisipin po natin, ang mga alagad ay nag-alay ng buhay para kay Jesus. Sinundan nila si Jesus. Nakita nila si Jesus bilang kanilang pag-asa at magliligtas sa lahat. Kaya pinagpalit ang lahat. Iniwan ang kabuhayan, tahanan at ang pamilya, alang-alang kay Jesus. Pero ano pong nangyari? Pinatay si Jesus. Ang kanilang